Welcome guys to another quick Basic Debian tutorial. In this Linux guide you will learn how you can add your user to Sudoers in Debian 12 Bookworm. The quickest and easiest way to grant sudo privileges to a user is to add the user to the Sudo Group. Members of this group can execute any command as root via sudo and prompted to authenticate themselves with their password when using sudo. For this, open terminal on your Debian 12. You must be seeing while running apt update as sudo. We can't run it as the user is not in the Sudoers file. Let's add the user in the Sudo group so that we can execute any command as root via sudo and prompted to authenticate themselves with their password when using sudo. Get into root mode. You must have root password for this. Now edit the shown file with any of text editors on your Debian 12. We have Nano for us. Now add the following variable on the shown line number. Replace Tech Solutionz with your own username. Once done adding, save and exit the editor. All done wisely. You can now execute any command as you were in root. Please don't forget to subscribe Tech Solutionz.